How to share a PDF file from Google Drive. Hi everybody, here is how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, you can just go ahead and open up the Drive application onto your particular device and then locate up the PDF file that you would like to share. So for example, I have some PDF file. You can use the search bar in the top of your screen in order to get to your PDF file. Locate it up. And once you head over to the PDF file, you should be finding three dots right beside each PDF file or each files. So all you gotta do is in order to share the PDF file, you can just go ahead and locate the PDF file, tap on the three dot, and you should be finding share option very easily. So you can just go ahead and copy a link, or you can tap on the share option, tap on it, and share it through email as well. So in order to share it through email, like through Drive to Drive, you can just go ahead and type in the email of the person that you would like to send. And you can select out like if you want that person to be editor, viewer, or commenter. After that, you can just go ahead and edit, customize a message as well. And tap on the send icon at the top and send this way. Or you can just go ahead and share it by basically copying the link. So tap on copy link and you can head over to one of the chats on your devices. For example, WhatsApp chat, open up WhatsApp for that and head over to one of the chats. And from chats, head over and paste the message and hit send. And that is it. This is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.